In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an email campaign in Sendgrid. First, make sure you're logged in to your Sendgrid account and you're on the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled Marketing and click on it. This is where all of your marketing tools live, including campaigns, automations, and contact lists. And it's the starting point for sending a one-time email blast. Once you're in the marketing section, find and select Single Sends. A single send is basically a one-off email campaign that goes out to a list or segment at a specific time. In the top right corner, you'll see a button that says Create Single Send. Click that to start building your new campaign. Next, you'll be asked to select a template. Here, you can choose from a pre-built Sendgrid design, one of your previously saved templates, or start from a completely blank template if you want full control. If you're new to this, using a pre-built design can save a lot of time because it already includes a layout that's optimized for email. After choosing your template, select the design editor. This is Sendgrid's drag-and-drop editor that lets you visually build your email without needing to write any code. It's a good idea to get comfortable with this editor because it's where you'll control how your campaign looks and feels. Before you dive too deep into the design, switch over to the Settings tab. Here, you'll configure the core details of your campaign. For the From Sender, choose your verified sender email. This needs to be an address and domain that you've already verified in Sendgrid so your emails have a better chance of landing in the inbox. Then, set your subject line. Try to write something clear and compelling that tells people exactly what they'll get when they open the email. Finally, choose your recipients by selecting the lists or segments you want to send to. Lists are broader groups of contacts, while segments are more targeted based on filters like behavior or attributes. Now move back into designing the email itself. Use the drag-and-drop content blocks to add text, images, buttons, and dividers. Keep your layout simple, make sure your main message is clear near the top, and include a strong call to action so people know what to do next. When everything looks good, click Review Details and Send. This is your final chance to double-check your sender, subject line, recipients, and design. From here, you can either launch the campaign immediately or choose Schedule to send it at a later date and time that works best for your audience.